Hey everyone, it's Jake Burkett with Real Broker. Hope you're having a great day today. Thanks so much for joining us on another great home tour. Today we are in the south part of Las Vegas and we have an equestrian property, so that's a horse property. Don't get a lot of these. I do get a lot of requests for them, so I was like, let me go get an equestrian property and let's do a video of it. Before we get started, I appreciate you watching us. Please like, subscribe, engage with us. Drop any comments, what you like, what you don't like. If there's any homes you would like us to see, communities, let me know. We'll do a tour of that. And if you have any questions on buying or selling real estate, our website is going to be right there below you. Please jump on there or send me a text. That's my cell number, and I will get back to you. So let's get off me and let's get on this house, shall we? All right, we're back. So this home was built in the year 1975. The home itself is about 3,200 square feet. It's a little bit over an acre. It's 47,000 square foot property. Got 4 bedrooms. Got a 5 kind of indoor-outdoor horse stall barn area. It's got an enclosed arena. It's got an additional office. It's got a 3-car detached garage. So since we're right here at the garage, let's start here. We'll head inside the house. We'll finish up in the backyard for you horse lovers. So standard 3-car. Right, pretty simple. It does have this additional room right off the side, so pretty nice size too. It could be an office if you wanted to, or a little workshop, but pretty decent. And there is a lot of power in this house too, so I'll get back to those details in a bit. So on the side of the house right here, this would be open-ended RV parking if you like. Goes all the way back to the stalls. Kind of pan around the front of the house. It is, you got your own private gate here in front. Okay, so this is the little attached/detached little office. So this is climate controlled, it's empty, but if you needed a home office, something away from the house, you got this perfect little thing right here. You can throw a desk in there, a TV on the wall, and you leave the house, you go to work. All right, so now we are in the house, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna check out the kitchen and one of the secondary bedrooms and living room first, and then we'll get over to the other side of the house. So this, as you can see, is the kitchen, right? A lot of renovation work in here. I'll point out some pretty cool features here in a minute, but most importantly, I know we want to see what it looks like. You can notice on a lot of the cabinets throughout the house, they have this distressed look to it. It's got a very ranchy type feel to it, a lot of barn doors, a lot of woodwork throughout the house. Got an LVP on the flooring there. Got our microwave and our oven right there, of course. Here's the center island, which has a couple cool features. So it's got these electrical pop-ups. So if you've got your mixer or whatever it is right there, you got your power source right there. You got your pot filler right over your gas cooktop. So you don't need to carry your pots very far. You do have a cool little beverage sink right there. You got your main sink in the back. It's really cool skylight, so you're getting lots of natural light coming into the house all day long, and that right there is going to be your vent. So it doesn't pop down, but if you're cooking over here, it's going to pull all that exhaust up and out of the house. Really cool, what does that mean? Copper sink right there, cool front apron, cool lights. It's going to be the pantry over here. Got a cool barn door slider there. So lots of storage, lots of shelving, and you got your on-the-floor deep freeze if you need. So you don't have to fill up that freezer with all of your goods. So family room, living room. It's nice, it's big and spacious. Lots of lighting throughout it. Got that huge big bay window over there. This is actual pine, so this isn't just some little laminate. That's like real pine siding. We do have a wood-burning iron fireplace over there. So it totally heats up this room if you need. It's got some fans so it blows out the heat as well. So heading back here, this cool little room is interesting. It's interesting because it's got this little sink right here. So yeah, right? It's pretty neat. It does have a door access to the backyard, a closet. Suppose you can make this into a bedroom if you need it. This little door goes out to where that office was. You guys saw that earlier. So Another cool little slider, little barn door there. Just nice little touches. Takes us into this bathroom right here. Shower tub tiled out there. Cool, a lot of kind of old retro feel vibe to this house. Here's the laundry room, right? Pretty cool. All right, let's go take a peek at the other side of the house. These are faux, but they just add a real nice aesthetic look to the house. So I'll make sure I captured those. All right, here we have it could be a formal living room, it could be a library, you know, sitting room, like the pitch on that roof. It's got some more beamwork there, so it looks kind of nice, right? A little sunk down area. Of course, you got a big slider, lots of glass right there, getting a lot of light coming in. Here's the washroom for the house. So if you can tell, like this is like a plaster on the wall, so it's got big texture to it. Gives it some dimension and depth. Pretty neat. This is the primary. We'll hit that in just a second. This would be another bedroom, and look at that texture on that roof, right? That's really unique. You got your little closet area over here, a little distressed area. So not a huge room, not a huge closet, but it meets the definition. Now back here, this is another bedroom, but this is like a second primary bedroom. So this is the bathroom. It's got a real cool sink. It's porcelain. It's got a neat apron on it. Here's you got a nice big walk-in shower, tiled out. I'll try to get that shower a little better. Pan down there. Toilet around the corner. Cool things to hang your towels on. So pretty neat little bathroom. And then of course there's a door here, so this whole ensuite shuts off, closes off from the rest of the house. Decent sized room. And it's got a huge walk-in closet, so really big. It does have like a secondary little thing back here. So just that little window there. All right, let's make our way to the primary bedroom, and then we're gonna go check out all the equestrian goodies outside. So heading into the primary, you got these two little barn doors, slide shut. Nice sized room. Do have like a little sitting area over here. It's got its own door right where the hot tub is. So if you want to go out, you know, any time of day, and you just have nice, easy access to the primary bedroom. Here's your walk-in closet. I like it. I like it when there's a window in the closet, so I think it's pretty cool. Another little slider barn door. Another cool porcelain sink, right? Pretty neat. It's got this big walk-in shower. It's all tiled out. Got a handhold, got a rainfall, power jet on the wall. There's your controls. Stash your soaps. And you got a nice, decent sized tub over there. Letting some natural light in, but keeping your privacy. And then the bathroom's just around the corner. So I think these cool fixtures, a bunch of old stuff. Made it look old, so pretty neat. All right, let's go outside and take a look at the rest of this horse property. So as I stated earlier, so a little over an acre, 47,000 foot lot. Here right off the back of the house, you got this nice covered patio. This house faces east-west, so right here we are west. So you're gonna have all morning and probably until at least noon or later, shade under this back deck. Then you have these trees, these big pines, so that late afternoon, probably an hour or two before the sun actually sets, you're gonna have shade cast back this way again. On the side yard area, that's the side of the house. That's where the laundry room was, right over there. Got this really cool outdoor kitchen. Viking appliances out here. We got a grill, got a fridge, got an oven, got trash, got a sink, got a ceiling fan. So it'd be a good place to hang out, cook. Got a skillet. And over here, so if you got horses, so this is your shoeing area. Come tie up over here, or you got rubber mats down here, stall mats. So shoe up them horses. And here is the arena. The arena itself is about 1/4 of an acre. Like I said, there are indoor-outdoor stalls back there. So a couple of them are wide open. Then you can see others have little doors on them that close. Just kind of panning around the rest of the property. So yeah, if you're into the equestrian life and that's the life for you, this could be a great option for you. Las Vegas does have a lot of equestrian properties throughout it. And just like land, you can't create more of them. So the ones that are out there are there. And here's over the side of the house, looking at that garage and back end. But hey, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what questions you have, what questions you don't have. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next video, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks so much.